Trollbella throws a party, a tale from the land of stories.
Author, Colfer'sseriesThe book. Children, fantasy.
Adventures from the land of stories, the Mother Goose Diaries.
Author, Colfer'sseriesThe book. Children, fantasy.
The Land of Stories, a treasury of classic fairy tales.
Author, Colfer'sseriesThe book. Children.
Adventures from the land of stories, Queen Red Riding Hood's Guide to Royalty.
Author, Colfer'sseriesThe book. Children, fantasy.
The Land of Stories, an author's Odyssey.
Author, Colfer'sseriesThe book. Children, fantasy.
The Land of Stories Beyond the Kingdom.
Author, Colfer'sseriesThe book. Children, fantasy.
The Land of Stories, the Enchantress returns.
Author, Colfer'sseriesThe book. Children, fantasy.
The Land of Stories, the Wishing Stone.
Author, Colfer'sseriesThe book. Children's literature, fantasy, original language, English language.
The Land of Stories, a Grimm Warning.
Author, Colfer'sseriesThe book. Children, fantasy.
The Land of Stories, Worlds Collide.
Author, Colfer'sseriesThe book. Children, fantasy.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.